Yo, greetings guys, igama ukhayelihle Quintin Mthetha and I go by the name of Quintin Pips and welcome again to another video on my YouTube channel. Yeah, njengoba nibonayo ngale title yale video ukuthi what we going to be talking about. And njengoba ngishilo futhi all my last videos. If kubuthi you do not know my videos, don't worry, go check them out. Quintin Pips is the name, baby. I'll know most. More pips, less problems, yeah. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how to analyze and whatnot, how to use supports and resistance, trend lines, because they are including one of those graphs and sees it is confusing. So in this video, we're going to be talking about that, time frames and whatnot. So without wasting any time, baby, let's just get to it, baby. You know, most Quintin Pips is the name. More money, less problems. More pips, less problems, baby. You know.
Yeah. Guess what? I just put a logo on my t-shirt. Guess what? They be taking photos when I move. Guess what? They be hating me when I get at the top. Damn what? Guess what? I just put a logo on my t-shirt. Guess what? They be taking photos when I move. Guess what? They be hating me when I get at the top. Damn what? Guess what? I just put my vest in the sun. Guess what? Bitch, you walking naked.
Yeah, so without wasting any time, so how do you analyze charts? Okay, there are different ways to analyze my charts, man. You can view each chart as a swing trader, or you can view each chart as a day trader, or you can view each chart as a scalper trader. So how do you view each chart as a swing trade? Well, mostly a swing trader is a time frame, which is a monthly time frame, a weekly time frame, a daily time frame. Yeah, that is a swing trader. Then we have a day trade. A day trader mostly libega 4-hour charts, 1-hour charts, 15-minute charts, yeah, just to enter our trade. Then we have a scalper trader isebenzisa i-biggest charts isebenzisa mostly is 1-hour charts, 15-minute charts, 30 minutes, yeah, 1 minute and 5 minutes, yeah. So lana what are we gonna do? Because we have a time frames ahlukahlukene. So what tools do technical traders use mostly? They use supports and resistance, and they also use trend lines, and they also use candlesticks, man, because we have different types of candlesticks, understand? So yeah, technical traders, they spot those reversal places laba place akhona is support and resistance, because the market moves in waves, understand, kind of higher highs and higher lows, understand? So whenever there is a turning point, babeka support or resistance and whatnot. So without wasting any time, let me show you how to spot support and resistance. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, but what I would like to do, I'd like to make this chart clean so that we can start afresh. Okay, let's pick another chart. Let's pick a random chart. Let's use Euro USD here. Just the new chart, as you guys can see. Okay, so the first thing we would do here is we would go to day 1 time frame, which is this one. Okay, so actually 1 week. So yeah, from here we just see what the market has been doing. Oh, this is a bar chart. Now this is yeah. So from here we'll just get the major levels where the market is went and turned back. So a chart to actually see some nice places where the market turned, it is a line chart, as you guys can see. You're going to place this thing here. Okay, then we're going to take another thing, and then we're going to place it here. Guys, you need to remember, this is just to see where the market has been playing at. Understand? Where the market has been playing at. Don't worry. Somebody might say it broke that place. Don't worry, we're still going to fix it. We're not in a hurry, ne? Yeah, so these are the major places. Now let's fix it nicely. You see, you take it, then it's here. now we have our major levels. Somebody may ask, why did I use a line chart? I use the line chart because it is much more clear there, and brokers use different spikes, so prices may differ when you put it in the spikes, but it's okay if you put it in the spikes, but I choose to use a line chart, as you guys can see. Now let's go down to daily. Yeah, as you guys can see, the market broke this resistance, and now it's coming back to retest it. Now let's take an overview of the things. So from that resistance to here, the market was actually in a downtrend. As you can see, it's lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, as you guys can see. Then here the market actually accumulated until it broke. So let's put this thing here, another zone here. Don't worry guys, we're going to get to it. You'll get used to this thing. Okay, let's add on some chart shifts here. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so from there let's add a trend line, because now we have our levels. This is our major levels, the one we placed in 1 week time frame. Now we're in daily. Let's put another mini zone here where the market broke. So from the market break here in the daily, we still gonna see clearly in the lower time frames, but for now let's just use, actually let's not put this thing in. Let's not put that. Let's take this out. Take this out. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, now that I've shown you how to spot the support and resistance, let me show you how to use our trend lines.
In the night I reminisce, I'm heaven sent and I know my life is bliss.
And something you guys should know, do not force trend lines. If the line is slicing in the candlestick, do not use it. But in this case, I might say that the market tried to break, but it has been coming into this trend line, but the trend line actually got invalid after being tested a few times. So here let's place another one here, because it's still going down. So from this mini zone that we placed in daily, yeah, you see it is a huge downtrend momentum, as you guys can see here. It's more like a flag. But it's still going down, guys. It's still going down, because the major trend is a downtrend. So I'd rather follow a trend than be somebody who's hoping on the retest. But you should also know how to spot a trend if Kukuti trend is a pelin. So for now, this is our zone. Let's go down to H4. So you guys can see clearly now what is happening. So yeah, now we can place our mini zone here where the market broke, but this is the lowest point the market went to when it broke from that major resistance. Are you with me, guys? Are you with me? So yeah, let's carry on. So from this low the market made, it actually went back. So I might say it gave us another pattern here. This is more like a rising wedge. Which I'm also going to show you guys the patterns. So this is a rising wedge, as you guys can see here. Yeah, I think this is it. The market, the patterns may not be 100% clean, but as long as you can see and understand what the market is doing while painting those patterns, then you're good. Just for some accuracy here. Okay, I guess we're good. So yeah, so for you guys not to confuse yourself, do not put a lot of things here. So now I can say the market broke here and came back to this point, and it retraced. So it made a high and made a lower and made a higher low and made a higher high, a higher low and a higher high. Now it made a lower low, and now I think it's going for a higher high. If Kuguti it breaks above this, let's actually zoom out. If Kuguti it breaks above this resistance and come back to retest here, it's going up. Let's see if it does this, guys, because you also need to apply some patience here. If it does this, if it does this, wait, yo guys, this thing is actually quite kind of troubling, but yeah, whatever, we're going forward. If the market does this, there are two possibilities here, guys. There are two possibilities here, because you need to be open-minded when looking at the market. You need to be open-minded. Yeah, I think this is it. But the market might come to retrace around this area, because there are no certain areas, there are no certain places whereby you'd say this is where the market is gonna retrace exactly. Nah, there are no places like that. Understand? Yeah. So I think this is what it's going to do. If it does not do this, guys, there's a high possibility that it might find a high bearish momentum here. Then it does this. If it finds the high momentum of selling there, it's gonna go down this way. Yeah, it's gonna go down this way, because you guys need to be open-minded when looking at this thing, because if Forex, you do not tell it what to do, it does what it want to do. You understand? All you gotta do, you just gotta follow and understand. So yeah, there are two possibilities here, because there is more like a mini resistance where we would place. Let's look at this now. Yo, it's kind of messy when it's coming down to this place, but I think this is the lowest chart you can get into. Yeah, so from here there's more like a resistance here. So if the market comes here and breaks this point, you can enter here using sell stops, or if you wanna play it safe, then wait for it to come back and trace, and you can enter it here in this place. And yeah, now that I've shown you how to use our trend lines, as you guys can see, in most places la ebengibeka khona these trend lines and supports and resistance, there are certain candlesticks land, and the kulawo ma candlesticks khona ama candlesticks afana no nama pin bar, which is this one, ama bearish engulfing or bullish engulfing, ama morning star. Then we use and we must also bega in these places lang bega khona ama supports and ama resistance. There are some certain patterns whereby ama technical traders our decide to take their trades. We have ama double bottom, which is pattern kanje. Then we have after double bottom khona ne double top phela vele. Then we have triple bottom ne triple top phela vele. Then we have ama inverted head and shoulders. Then we have ama head and shoulders, which is a pattern kanje now. Then we have ama flags, which is ama patterns kanje na. Yeah, but there are different type of patterns. You can go check them out. Njengamanje I'm going to show you like a platform nje ngathi template na wonke lama patterns lawo, as you guys can see. Yeah, so you can pick ukuthi, you can actually look at these charts and go search them out for yourself. Just look at the charts. The price action is actually gonna show you what's happening, so that you can paint these patterns and whatnot to make your trading decisions. And then you can actually go and search for these candlesticks, which I'm gonna show here. About this is a lot of candlesticks now, because I only mentioned a few. Because you also gonna find your own, which makes you most profitable, or the ones that you see most results using. Yeah, you're also gonna find your own. So
yeah. Guess what? I just put a logo on my t-shirt. Guess what? They be taking photos when I move. Guess what? They be hating.